Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Here are instant rava papad, perfect dried, ready to fry. You see it has no cracks at all and frying gives me crispy, puffy white papad. Watch this recipe carefully to make it yourself at home. Take 1 cup semolina or suji. It's fine suji we using here. Take exact same amount of water, 1 cup in our case. It's important to take proper measurement to make a perfect papad. Add half spoon salt. Add 1 cup suji in jar. Add half spoon salt. And grind it for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's fine powder. You can see our fine suji powder is ready. Add about half of water and grind for 1 to 2 minutes. We should get smooth fine paste. Take a finely chopped red chili. We can use chili flakes as well. Also chop 3 to 4 curry leaves. It will give nice taste to papad. Try this to make it more tasty. Pour smooth suji paste in bowl. Add remaining water and mix it well. You can check with finger. If you get this line using finger, it means your batter consistency is perfect for papad making. Add half spoon cumin seeds, curry leaves and chili flakes and mix it nicely. Here I have taken steel flat plates. You can use any flat plate because we require flat surface to make uniform papad. Let's put mixture to form thin papad. I use 1 spoon in one plate and spread uniformly by tilting plate like this. Similar way, I will keep all plates ready with batter. Before starting to cook, take 1 bowl of water at room temperature ready. This is used to demold papad after cooking. Let's cook papad now. Here I am using idli pot as steamer. Fill with water and keep it on medium-high. You may use steamer for cooking. Put our plate on top of empty idli molds and cover with lid. Papad gets cooked very fast within 30 to 40 seconds. Check after 40 seconds. If you see such white uncooked part, cook for 10 seconds more. When it's ready, you will see a translucent papad. Immediately transfer plate in water which we kept ready earlier. Let it cool for 1 minute. Now I will show you how to demold papad nicely. Using knife, gently remove papad from border. It comes out perfectly and looking very translucent and nice. We are able to take them out smoothly without applying any pressure. You can see how easily it comes out. I am not using oil here. You can see it comes out nicely and smoothly. If you feel little sticky while removing, dip your plate with papad in water. Then it comes easily. You can use same plate for steaming remaining papad if needed. Keep papad on plastic sheet or butter paper or cloth for drying. You will observe after 2 to 3 hours it rise from sides, flip them over and keep in sunlight for drying. Keep the papad under sunlight for at least 1 day or until papad dries out completely and turns crisp. You can see suji papad is ready to store for at least 10 to 12 months. Store papad in airtight container. Deep fry in hot oil over both the sides. Press gently till the papad doubles in size. You can see these papad are white and double in size. Isn't it very easy, instant and simple snack recipe? If you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.